Sew Power SP-720-N800 direct drive ultra fine cylinder interlock sewing machine with auto trimming, beautiful appearance and further expansion of functions. Design of sealed side cover and short horizontal cylinder. The small cylinder design with 266 mm circumference. It is more convenient to sew tubular knitted fabrics with small caliber. The integrated air suction pep design can quickly absorb the fabric waste. It is suitable for all kinds of edge trimming sewing, such as underwear hemming, etc.